Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to trim a video in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template to create a design. We can choose presentation. Next, we can see that the presentation design page is created, and then we can go to File folder. I have an MP4 video file. I drag and drop into Canva to import the video into Canva. I stop it here, and then we can make selection to the video and then go to top option bar. We can find trim and click it, and then we can preview the frames. If we want to make it shorten, we can click and drag the beginning. For example, I put to here, and then we can shorten it by adjust the end. I put it here. So we can preview the trimmed area. If we are happy with this, we can press done. So this is how we can trim a video in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.